Talking about the 3D printing market, what usually comes to mind is the printer itself, but this view is incomplete. Just 1/3 of the worldwide spending is for the printers, while there are other components in the market like services and materials that are showing interesting dynamics. We've included these and many other considerations into our newly published IDC 3D Printing Spending Guide. 3D printing is being accepted and approved in highly regulated sectors like healthcare and aerospace, beyond prototyping as a production tool. Think about managing the inventory part of an airplane, for example. Having the possibility of streamlining the whole part production leveraging on 3D printing is a clear opportunity. New materials and techniques like connecting multiple printers or reducing post-processing finishing time are used to increase capacity and speed. The introduction of color solution has been another huge turning point, avoiding the need to color the printed object, often by hand, and resulting in a faster process. So, if you'd like to have more information about the 3D printing market, for example in some industries like automotive, aerospace, or healthcare, just click on the link below. Thank you for watching.